So we've just received a new shipment of the classic fullBOOST tees and hoodies. So these are all back in stock. Big sizes, small sizes, high quality AS color gear too. Yeah, this is really nice stuff. Premium hoodies. So get on it. So Jim, it's been a long time coming, but you've just run your first 8-second pass.
Yeah.
How did she run?
It went 8.7 at 156. Yeah, pretty happy with the car. Been a long time coming, so finally did it.
Just to sum up, this is the quickest Ecotec in Australia?
Yeah, quickest
standard body, I should say.
Oh, standard, yeah. So yeah. Quickest street V6 Commodore, really.
V6 Commodore, yeah. So tell us a bit about the motor. It's I know for a long time you've had a bigger. It's a bigger than standard capacity, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's 4.2. It's not 3.8. So it's got a billet crank. Now the car's got alloy heads. Got a bigger turbo, obviously. Still got the power glide. Still got the IRS. Pumpy 85.
And you're saying on that run you just went a 132 in the 60. That's pretty quick on IRS.
Yeah, so it's just very happy. I don't know how I did it, but it just trial and error. I guess we got it right this time.
Yeah. So what turbo are you running there?
So that's a GDX 50.
Yeah, and you're on. I think you're on a Wolf.
On a Wolf V550. Yeah. So I still run the Wolf. I mean, been pretty happy with it. It's hasn't let me down. There's been other issues with the car, but got around those, and yeah, it's just beautiful. I mean, we had obviously issues along the way, but it's finally gotten there.
So what sort of power is she putting out now?
Well, it's hard to say because on a hub dyno made 750. Yeah. We've turned it up a little bit on the track, not by much, a couple of pounds. So
about 156 mile an hour in a full weight street car.
Yeah, well, when I weighed it last, it weighed 1680 kilos without me in it. So it's pretty heavy. Yeah. Pretty heavy, yeah.
Now I remember we did a photo shoot for Street Commodores on this, geez.
Yeah, it was a while ago.
Must be about 8 years ago or something.
Yeah.
And it still looks identical from the outside.
Yeah, literally not much has changed at all.
It's a bit of a...
everybody's been giving me a bit of grief saying you should put rims on the car, and I go, I just wanted to get it to go fast, you know?
Yeah.
And don't worry about making it look good.
So you're pretty happy with that? You're not going to bother...
Look,
I know you've been chasing this for a while, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been chasing the 8s for a while. So I just want to enjoy the car, and then, I don't know, maybe in about a year or something, just wind in a bit more, maybe try go mid-8.
Yeah.
But until then, just happy with it as it is.
Alright, hey, well done.
Thanks, mate.
Anyone you'd like to thank, mate?
There's a few people actually. It takes a lot of people to get this happening. So first, I'd like to thank Ben from Danilo for the tune, Eugene from Flowcraft Engines for the bottom end, the boys at Canaris Engines for all the top end work, Jamie at Full Fly Engineering for all the fab work, Preston Automatics and also Robbie from Wolf EMS for the ECU.